Hello everyone, in this video you will know about the process of registration in Eureka 2024 by ECEL JNEC in collaboration with IIT Bombay ECEL. Firstly, click on the website link. It is compulsory to fill both the portals. Now click on the IIT Bombay Eureka portal. Then go on the register now. Now you have to fill your full name, email ID, gender, country name, contact number. Now in current professional status you have to choose other student. Now set your own password. From where did you hear about it? You have to choose the option National Entrepreneurship Challenge participant and referral ID will be given on your WhatsApp group. Then go to submit button and your OTP will be given on the email ID. You can also add members. You have to write up your startup name. Then in sector, the more you will relate to your startup idea, you have to select that option. And in sector 2, it will be the same. Is your idea DPIIT registered? If yes, then you can go through this option or else no. Now you have to write your idea in short and then you have to track your idea. It means you have to select the related option to your startup idea. Now you have to go through the questionnaire form. There will be at least 5 to 7 questions to fill according to your startup idea. Fill the answers with details and 29 date or else your form will be not valid. And that's it. It's that simple to register and join us for Eureka 2024. Feel free to reach out to us and do follow us on Instagram. Thank you.